because leadership really pushed community. You know, so I think when leadership disappeared, the community went right along with it, because the idea of community was that we are all responsible for one another. But when the language of leadership changed, the language of the people changed, when I became louder than me, you know, when one individual became bigger than the crowd, you know, one person ran way ahead of the group, it stopped becoming about the progression of the community, the progression of that area. Y'all know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think just to wrap up everything that they said, I think we have to start having fearless conversations about what has happened to our community. We have to be fearless in our pursuit in building our community. And we must understand that you can't just tell a community that has been disenfranchised for 45 and 50 years plus and been experimented on for 45, 50 years plus and 400 years plus to just, hey, let's get back to community. It's different now. And we have to understand that our communities weren't filled with crack cocaine. We had schools inside of our communities. We had stores that we can shop from. We had family members that stayed on our block. We don't have that anymore. So we have to understand, how do we attack that demographics? We can't bring back what we used to do, because what we used to do doesn't exist anymore. We have to learn how to go into a system that says, we need a group of people like myself. I'm an educator by trade. That's what I do. We need an education board. We need a board that attacks drugs. We need an economic base over here. We need our own black banks. It's a multifaceted problem in the community. And just getting directly to the question, yes, people are absolutely right. There is a lack of black males in the community, because those black males have been systematically oppressed. Those black males are in jail. Those black males are filtrated with drugs. And just because some of us on the panel came from some of those neighborhoods and we made it out, we the exceptions to the rules. Right. Everybody didn't have their own mind. Everybody didn't get that chance. They didn't get that chance. So we have to have fearless and honest conversations about where we spend our dollar, how we're going to allow people not to shut down school systems in our neighborhoods, how we're going to bring our kids and send them back to the schools and neighborhoods. You can't blame parents for sending their children out to Chesterfield or Clayton or Parkway because they want a better education for their child. And unfortunately, St. Louis Public Schools, we are failing at that miserably. It is up to us to save us. Nobody's coming to help. So we have to put all our egos aside and say, you attack law, you attack urban economics, you attack politicians, you attack education, and we have to get a vast of all of that and attack drugs and poverty in our community, because when a community is uneducated, they are addicted to a substance, and they don't have any means and lacking resources, they're never going to be able to get out that continuing spiral down. That's just, that's being honest.
Oh, that was amazing. All I just want to say is that big thing is elect your officials. Also, even get out there. And he's standing up and saying, "I want to become a state representative." Right. He's saying, "I want to lead." You know. So that's an example. And so like right now, you have the prison pipeline and all that. And that's a big problem. And so, how are you going to fix all our black men going to jail? Like, you can do it. You can make a difference. You know, I became a police officer to do something about it. I'm there in these homes that no fathers are in right now. You know, I'm there. You know, just last week I was in a home where just a single mom and her kid, and the place is just a mess, and there's no leadership. It's just completely full of drug addicts come in and out the house all day long. You know, but there needs to be a black man there. You know, so if you want to change that, you know, become somebody, a leader, a block captain, whoever. You know, find your place to lead in the community.